So my name is Jimenez, and I teach at Lafayette High School in all levels of Spanish for 12 years now. So I think summer camps are a really important part to any kid's kind of journey through life. Growing up, I was a big fan of going to summer camp. Every summer after school got out, that was the number one thing on my priority list, the thing I would look forward to the most at that summer. Once I saw how much fun it was to be a camper at summer camp, I thought, wow, well, this could be even more fun to work at a summer camp. I started off at a summer camp here in Mississippi, just north of Jackson, and then that kind of took me to a faraway land of Colorado for 2 summers at a summer camp, a YMCA summer camp in Colorado that was part of the Rocky Mountains. So it was a really great experience to kind of go there and see how other summer camps were run and just kind of experience different types of people that were there. And that's probably also one of the greater perks of attending a summer camp, is establishing those relationships with other people that are living and breathing and experiencing that summer camp with you in the moment, and you're just spending all hours together, staying up late, talking in your cabin, and just hanging out with friends and making those special bonds that you know are going to go with you after you leave the summer camp.